Good evening, friends. My name is Dangi. Today we are showing you a demo for HX750 drone camera. This is the drone camera. You are thinking, maybe you are thinking that why I am wearing this mask. But actually, what happened? Whole country, even whole world is fighting for with the coronavirus. That's why I am wearing this mask today. It is very necessary for us to maintain our hand hygiene and our respiratory hygiene. That's why now this is the HX750 drone camera drone. Now it has a this. Look at this is a battery, rechargeable battery, and this is the camera. Okay, and this is the remote. It has all the navigation button in this remote. Now we are showing you a live demo. Please. First we join this, and after that he is showing you a live demo. This drone is recording in memory card. So friends, this is the review of HX750 camera drone, and this is a very good product. You can buy it without any doubt. And now this is the end of this video. I request you to please like, share and subscribe my channel. My channel's name is True Reviews. Okay, have a nice day and stay home and be safe.